So here's something that doesn't get talked about enough in the laser engraving world. Every single time your machine fires up, every cut, every engrave, it's releasing smoke, toxic gases, and fine particles straight into whatever room you're in. And most people's solution? Open a window, maybe point a fan at it. That's not a solution. That's just moving the problem somewhere else. Today, we're actually fixing it. The issue with laser engraving indoors isn't just the smell, though that's bad enough, it's the fine particulate matter. When you're cutting acrylic, leather, wood, or rubber, your machine is producing particles small enough to bypass your body's natural defenses entirely. We're talking submicron stuff, the kind that doesn't show up on air quality monitors until it's already in your lungs. A basic inline fan, vented outside, moves smoke out of the room, but it filters nothing. You need actual filtration, and that's a completely different category of product. That's where this comes in. This is the Monport 220W Dual-Port Fume Extractor, and the first thing you notice when it shows up is that it's built like it means it. Full metal frame, solid feel, nothing rattles. It's got PU wheels on the bottom, so you can actually move it around your workspace without it being a whole thing, and a handle on top, so repositioning it takes about 2 seconds. The front panel has a high definition display, a clean control interface, and I didn't expect this at this price, a remote control. Full remote. Power, fan speed, timer, safety lock. You never have to touch the unit while you're working. Now here's where it actually matters, because a fume extractor is only as good as what's happening inside, and this is where the Monport earns its price tag. 3 filter layers, each one doing a specific job. The first is primary filtration cotton. It catches the big, visible particles, the chunky debris, and the ash coming off your cuts. You get 5 sheets in the box, so you're covered for a while before you need to reorder. The second layer is where it gets serious, an H13 HEPA filter. H13 is the same filtration grade used in medical and cleanroom environments. It captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns. And for context, the fine particles produced by laser engraving sit almost exactly in that range. This isn't marketing language. That's the actual threat, and that's the actual spec that addresses it. The third layer is activated carbon, but not standard carbon. This uses high-iodine carbon rated at 1000 to 1100 on the iodine scale. Higher iodine value means more porosity, more surface area, stronger absorption. In practical terms, it lasts 1.4 times longer than standard coal-based carbon, and it's significantly better at killing odors and absorbing chemical gases. The VOCs from burning acrylic, the fumes from rubber, all of it. That combination, HEPA plus premium carbon, is what makes this genuinely suitable for enclosed indoor spaces. Not just tolerable, actually suitable. On the performance side, 220 watts, 310 cubic meters of airflow per hour, 2,200 pascals of negative pressure. It pulls hard and it pulls consistently, and the noise level stays under 55 decibels, which is roughly a normal conversation. You can be in the room with this thing running and it's not an issue. One thing I want to specifically highlight is dual air inlets. 2 ports, meaning you can run 2 separate machines through the single unit simultaneously. CO2 and fiber, diode, and CO2. Whatever your setup is, one extractor handles both. That is a significant value add if you're running multiple machines and don't want to buy 2 units. There's also a built-in filter clog detection system. The machine monitors pressure differential across the filter layers, and when it detects a change that indicates a clog, it triggers an audible and visual alarm. You always know exactly when it's time to service it. There's no guessing involved. Setup is genuinely straightforward. The air inlet is 82 millimeters, and it comes with 100 millimeter adapters in the box, so it's compatible with pretty much every CO2, fiber, and diode machine on the market. You can connect your extraction tube from your laser's exhaust to the inlet, power it on, dial in your fan speed on the remote, and you're done. The included tube is 1.4 meters, so you have real flexibility on placement. It's also worth mentioning the base unit works completely independently without the app or any additional setup. Just set your target parameters directly on the display. Clean and simple. So where does this actually land? If you're doing laser engraving in an enclosed space, a home office, a basement, a spare room, anywhere that isn't wide open with natural ventilation, a proper fume extractor with real filtration is not optional. It's the difference between a sustainable setup and one that's quietly doing damage to you over time. The Monport 220W hits every mark that actually matters. The filtration is legitimate, the build quality is solid, the dual port capability is genuinely useful, and the remote is a nice touch that makes the day-to-day workflow cleaner. It's not trying to be flashy, it just does the job at a level that's hard to argue with. If you want to grab one, the link is in the description below. And if you use my promo code PURED8, that's PURED 8 at checkout, you'll get an additional 8% off your order. Using that link or that code costs you nothing extra, and it directly supports this channel and makes it possible for me to keep putting out content just like this. So I really do appreciate every single person who uses it. If this video helped you out, a like goes a long way, and if you've got questions about your specific setup, drop them in the comments. I read everything. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.